Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to talk about the website which built the first. I'm Ashutosh, and this is my first ever website which I have made, and it's like quite beautiful and quite simple. And in this video, I'm going to talk about what website is and what does it work actually. So you by the name you can say it says Tindog. So it quite sounds like a parody version of the Tinder which I am believing that every one of us know about. And it says meet new and interesting dogs nearby. What actually it is that like it's a simple dating app for dogs. Like Tinder is the dating app for humans, Tindog is the dating app for dogs. And in the right section, if you click on there are three sections like contact, pricing, and download. If you can click on the contact section, you can just get to the footer side of our website. Here you can get our Twitter, our Facebook profile, our Insta handle, our email, and and if you'll click on the pricing section, you can see uh, that it took us to here. There's a very beautifully written plan for every dog's need and a simple affordable plans for you and your dog. So if you want just free, you will get 5 matches per day, 10 messages per day, and unlimited app uses. You have to just click on the sign up, and it will like even I'll use the JavaScript behind it, it will definitely work. But currently it's just running on the CSS, HTML, and Bootstrap, which is a front framework of CSS. And if you'll choose the $49 per month plan, it will give you unlimited matches, unlimited messages, and unlimited app uses. And if you will choose the highest plan, which we have like of $99 a month, you will get the priority listing, which means you get on the top of the priority list of us, of our website. And you will get access to unlimited messages, unlimited app uses. And here you can see that find the true okay. Before that, let's talk about this. If you are an Android user, you can click on this and you get to the app of our Play Store, Google Play Store. And if you are an iOS user, you can click to here. You will then head it to the Apple App Store, where you can download our app named Tinder. And what our app is about, it's like easy to use, it's a light clientele, it's like aimed about it's saying that we are focused on what we are doing, and it's guaranteed to work. That yeah, we will do it. If you'll come to a platform and sign up, we will definitely do whatever we can for your dog. So there are some beauty views of for our website, which are obviously an imaginary, since this website is just an prototype, and like I just built it for practice. And this is what it say. My dog used to be so lonely, but with Jin Dog's help, they found the love of their life. This is the some person who's saying this, and a dog is also saying this, that I no longer have to sniff other dog for love. I have found the hottest corgi on the Tin Dog move. This quite funny. That's quite funny. Yeah, these are the websites which have very. These are the like companies: TechCrunch, the Next Web, TNW, Business Insider, Mashable. Obviously, I am believing that everyone have must at least heard about this Business Insider, and these all four companies have validated our website. Now coming to the next section, we have like already discussed that we have planned for each and everyone about it, and here you can again find a section for the downloading of our website, of our app, for this website. So it's saying find the true love of your dog's life today. If you click to here, you will head it to Apple App Store. If you click to here, you'll be headed to Google Play Store. So let's check the back end, the coding part of this website. If I come to my VS Code, and this is what the basic like HTML code looks like, and there's so much, like not so much, but I can say like a little bit of Bootstrap also, and along with like this is the CSS file where I have coded the CSS part of the website. From here you can see that we have a title of named Tindog, which is the actually this part where this is written. And again, there's all other links which we have used. Sorry, which we have used in our website. And here you can see a section where we have a Tindog reference and a lot of things, the contact pricing download. So basically this section is this part, Tindog and contact pricing. If we will like have a pesticide control on it, you can see that I have this part and a whole of like this part. And what I have did is that like this part is actually at this position, so I added some margin and padding to them and make them like quite beautiful looking. So again in the other part of the code, you can see meet new and interesting dog nearby, a download section for the FA brand, FA Apple. What actually it means that it's FA brand means font awesome brands, font awesome Apple. It what this line actually did is that this provides us the symbol of Apple, of this bitten apple, which is the like logo of Apple. And this logo is provided by this line of code. Where does it go? Yeah, it's here, this line of code, and it's saying the download, and again adhere to its download. And coming to the next section, it's saying like easy to use, so easy to use, and blah blah, and allied clientele, and guaranteed to work. This all stuff is this part, this part. So you might be thinking, what where from where does it this come from, this like symbols? So let me tell you again that this symbol also come from the same website, that font awesome website. We will use this line for that circle check. You can see the font awesome solid, font awesome circle check, font awesome 4x. So why we have used 4x? It's because that the if you like clear this and save the website, you can see that the size have decreased so much. Like if you will, and if we will just add it again and save it again, you can see it's quite big and look more beautiful and accurate right now. So the same happens to here, in this like line of code too, saying that an I element having class of font awesome solid, font awesome bullseye, and again we have made it 4x. And in the next line we have also made it 4x. From here it's saying font awesome heart, which is this part where we have made it a heart. Okay, now coming to another part of the website, it's saying the testimonials, what other people says about our website, whoever like have used it. So the number one was that dog, saying I no longer have to sniff other dogs and blah 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 blah. And the other one is that the that person who was saying that my dog used to be lonely and blah 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 blah. And no, this part. So you might have seen this already like 2 to 3 times. So what does it actually means? It's an image element having a class of text test image. So we have like basically used this class for the first reason. It's that it's a predefined class of Bootstrap, and the another reason is that we have also used to some add some extra features in our website using in this CSS file. In this CSS file we have used this class to make some extra changes in that line of code. We have a source of images slash lady image dot jpg. So you might be thinking, where does this came from? This came from actually my PC. You can see there's an image folder, and inside it it's lady image dot jpg. Yeah, it's image right there. So that this code took the code sorry this code took the image from that folder and show it to the website. It's like that simple. And this line means like if you'll see this button section means that it's control previous, carousel control previous. And it's actually this part, just a second. the this part of the website where if I click I can get to the previous preview. And if I'll click to and like if we'll talk about the next one, it's this. So if I'll talk if it's this part. So if I'll talk click on here, it's forward to the next review. And now coming to the other section, it's press. So like these are the companies which we have granted us, like we have will give us the validation. You can see it's a techcrunch.png, tnw.png, business item, and mashable, which we have seen it here, this part. And and let's talk about the pricing part. Pricing part is like all of these are the code of this section of this part which we have did it like here, and added for a different section having a ID of CTA. So we have added a section of having a ID CTA where we have given two download options again. One for the Apple iOS users, you can see it here, where if you'll click on it, you will be headed to the Apple App Store, and if you'll click on this download, you will be headed to the Google Play Store. So let's see it on our website. If you'll go down, if you can again see it, if you like click it, you'll go to the Apple App Store. If you like click on this, you'll be headed to the Google Play Store. Now coming to the another part of the website, it's just the footer section which we will be like having I having a class of font awesome brands and Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and envelope. And what does this means? That I have adding a style having a padding of 0 pixels on top and bottom, and having a 10 pixel on left and right. Let's see. So what actually it does is that if you zoom it in, so there's a very beautifully distance beautiful, it's looking very beautiful and concise because of its distancing between two images. And and if we will like just remove this part, sorry, vertical, yeah, if this just remove we will this part from our website, it will looks very like very bad. um, Okay, so this was all about the HTML part of the website. If you'll see that if you might think that it's just this easy to build a website, and I will be say no, it's not that. So it's this website have all the CSS and the HTML part too, but I have discussed just the HTML part, not the CSS part yet. So if I'll hit save here, what actually I did is that this was the a link to the style sheet of my CSS styles.css file, which was in the CSS folder. You can see it like right here. I have a CSS folder which having a style sheet of styles.css. Hit save, and like if I will, sorry, if I will remove this file from my website and hit save, what actually happens is this. Okay, it's refreshing itself, and let's see what's happening. It refreshes. Just a second, it shouldn't be taking so long. So you can see here it's looking so bad. It's like looks like a website from 95 when the Windows have just start. Windows XP was there, not XP, I think, like Windows, sorry, Windows 95 was there, and internet era has just begun. It looks like quite this. And if we will just do a little of coding part, which we see as a CSS, which is here, and I hit save and come to here. It's look again like this. It's so beautifully done. So in the next video, I will discuss about the CSS part of this video. And if you have seen this video till here, consider subscribing. If you like our video, consider liking and comment your views on this website and what are the changes which I can make on the website. And along with it, if you like it, just share with your friends and families. Thank you.